ask the good mayor on how we could possible streamline the process on requesting ambulance and siphoning it to yung city kaya po. Sabi nga masapot ay kailangan surat kay ni mayor at ang damit tax ordinance na amin dito yan no available kay siphoning tayo no available ambulances tayo po pagbayad ay kumalat at i-fees tayo to yung treasury po. Ayun, i-requirement na po, they ask anybody who avails it to write a letter with the mayor. I've been an acting mayor ako, isupin ang busisi na ang approval ni mayor. Kasi dito yung abantayan which we are availing to the city. So if we could communicate to the mayor on how we could better streamline the process of availing these services ako because these services are in our tax ordinance na hanggang sa puti kami issue money mayor ako. No, available lang dito yan ako. Bayad DJ kasi na automatic ko man ang isupin naman pending which kasapulan na dito at ang ambulances ako ket no ako pa ni mayor ket kasapulan na DJ ambulances mataktak ulay ako so I hope and pray that the mayor i-communicate mo tulad na ako sa during the session time on how we could streamline na alam isu proseso ting availment the ambulance ket sa ito ng itiwasyon.